My name is Marth and I'm the administrator at Ideal Institute. Well, I was the librarian at the press, and I did all the online editing for the stories. And you know how the press is right now, generally speaking, they're going under, basically a lot of them. So I got laid off and I was looking for employment. And this lady I know that worked at the One Stop, who was on OJT, she worked actually in the on-the-job training. She recommended me to come to Ideal. So she gave Ren my application, and he called me in for an interview. And I guess I was among several candidates that they had interviewed, and I was offered the job. So I took it. There were a lot of ups and downs. It was very interesting. I was fascinated. I thought, how do you start a school? How do you become known? How do you get students? How do you get the programs running that you can bring the students in that they learn? And it was very fascinating. I had never been involved in anything like that before in my life. And it was quite a journey. And very interesting. And I'm glad I took it. When I started in Absecon, I did everything. Of course, you know, the number of students was very small, and we didn't have all the programs that we have now. We were just getting started. And well, we had the OSY program the first year, and also the CWEP, the Work First New Jersey program. And the OSY program is the one that just took off. That was the program for us. It was a defining moment for Ideal, I believe, and it was really amazing the way it just blossomed and exploded. Well, I think the people I work with are wonderful. They're dedicated and they care about the students, and that's really important, to work with people who are caring and dedicated. And I think that makes the business, makes the school.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
you know, that's it.